I have had this scenario many times. We run a client's credit and the score is much lower than what they receive from Credit Karma. Have you ever checked your Credit Karma score and thought, wow, my credit's great, only to apply for a mortgage and see a much lower score? And with that lower score does entail higher interest rate and fees. So we want to get the best score we can. I've had clients with differences up to 100 points. If this has happened to you, you're not alone. Here's why this happens and what you could do about it. Credit Karma uses a scoring model called VantageScore, while mortgage lenders use FICO scores. These FICO models are more conservative and weigh things like late payments, credit usage, and inquiries differently. If you want to boost your mortgage score, here are the 3 most important things to do. Number 1, lower your credit card balances. Keep them below 30% of your limit, ideally 10%. For the best impact. High balances can hurt your mortgage score more than Credit Karma's score. Number 2, make all your payments on time. Even one late payment can drop your mortgage score by 50 to 100 points. Set up auto pay or reminders to avoid this mistake. Number 3, limit new inquiries. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, it can temporarily lower your score. Too many inquiries in a short time can hurt your mortgage approval chances. If you're planning to buy a home, don't rely on Credit Karma. Your mortgage lender score is what truly matters. If you want to check where you stand, let's connect. I'd love to help you get mortgage ready.